DJI have released the Mavic 4 Pro, and with the Mavic 4 Pro they have released a new controller, but also they release another thing that is called the Simulator, which I'm going to try. They also released it for the DJI Pro 2 controller. I'm going to test the Simulator and this controller to show you guys how it actually works. So if you're a beginner and want to fly your drone, if you're first time flying, they have a simulator on this, which is pretty cool. So let's try it out. And this comes with the new update, so if you have your controller and you have not yet updated to the new version, you guys should update your controller now to have this right here. So I updated already and I've been trying it out, and I can say that it's in the developing stage, so I guess there are a lot more to come in terms of this simulator right here. Hopefully they could include it to do the FPV flying, but FPV is not really a thing in this right now. So as I said, it's in the developing stage, so probably there's more to come. But there's one thing though that I realize when I'm running it on this is that hardware of this sometimes it can be a bit laggy because it has to do a lot of processing on this controller right here. Hopefully the upgrade version of this controller probably can run it better. Let me know what you guys think. So let's test it out. Alright, so I'm going to do a screen record of this so you guys can see it on my screen as well, in case you guys are not seeing it on the camera. So on it right here you can see we have the DJI Simulator on it right there. I'll click on that. DJI Simulator. Now on it, when you go on it, it will have something like this. It will have basic course and immersive flight. So what you can do if you're first time flying, you can take the basic course, but for now there is only a beginner's guide. Actually unlock. Let's see what's in the beginner's guide. Start. So it basically give you some prompt right there before your first flight and everything. So you put in, you guys showing me. So you're gonna put it in sim mode. That's the basic. Make sure your surrounding is safe from all motors and all them stuff. And it basically shows you guys how to turn on your drone. But first let me just put in the sticks right here, which I've totally forgot. Okay, now we're up and running. So it starts right now. Take off.
Take off.
So it's showing it on this how to take off. So if you're first time flying, as I said guys, you can actually use right here to fly. And then more commands again. Tap the screen and it shows you how to move forward. So I'm moving forward right now. Nice. So it shows to move sideways. Nice. And this is totally for a beginner's guide, someone who's never flown. I do it before. Shows you the turn. So you're doing a 360 turn right there. Let's see what's happening next. Next direction. Nice. Alright, time to fly now to see what you have learned. Showing some signal. Pay attention to the icon. GPS icon. Wow. So you're actually giving some demos right here. Let's see if we can fly through this. Nice. Nice. Yo, this is just like playing a video game on my RC controller. And this is something that I can actually play with and fly. Let's see. Nice. Let's see what else on this right now. Take a pitch off right there. Let's see if I can fly there first. Nice. So it's showing this little button on here. So I can press that to tilt my camera. Oh, I should aim at the object. Let's see. Right. So you can press this button now. Take the picture as you have shown on screen. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to record a video now. And this button again to record the video. Press again to record. Press to stop recording. Nice. Okay, return home. This button right here. Press on all. So I'm auto returning home right now, as you guys can see. So this is a basic lesson for anyone who have never flown a drone before. You can actually try this simulator and it's very fun to use. And this run perfectly fine. Now I think the first time when I was playing this, as I said earlier, I was getting some bit amount of lagging. Probably is because of the controller get two apps and I just downloaded the itself. So return to DJI Fly, practice more. Let's see what else. So I can practice more. Turn on.
Take off.
And I can just fly around this state right here, which is very interesting. So let's see what's more inside right here, what I can do. These are locks. Alright, immersive flight. So in immersive flight, I think we have two maps right here. Let's see what I have right here. Go fly. Okay, so we can choose our camera, we can choose our drone. So you have the DJI Mavic 4 Pro right there, and we have the DJI R3S. Let's choose this drone. Okay, we're gonna place our drone, start him up,
Take off.
then we're gonna fly around. Now I want to show you guys though how big is this map right here. So as you can see, we can see out right there with some place over there. Let's see if I can go out there. And what I really interesting though, I think they should make this for like FPV simulator. So for a person who have never flown an FPV before, I want to just fly it with this controller right here and just do some practicing. You can do it on this, so I'm looking for that update as well with this RC2 controller. As you can see right there, I move right there, there is a barrier, so I literally cannot go any further with this right here. So I have to turn back. So this is just like a empty open space with this little stone rock right there. So there's not much we can do right here. There's not much object for you to crash on. So this is just to learn the basic movements of the controller. So if you're in a fly situation, you can use this to actually fly around, take pictures and so forth. Practice in sport mode, you can practice as well, but your drone will crash though. So let's see what happens if I actually crash. It actually crashed. So I put in sport mode, so you realize that when it's sport mode and those things, it actually crash and actually give you a video. Let's see what happened. See when I crash in a wall right there, and the drone literally breaks. So guys, this is it. This is a new DJI Simulator. So they actually released this with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, you know, with RC2 controller and also the RC2 Pro controller. So if you have any of those controllers, you can update it to the latest version to get that simulator. As I said earlier, what they have, I wish they have improved next, is the ability to do some FPV flying with this right here. So for a person like me who have never flown an FPV drone before, I can actually use it to practice. So eventually in the future, when I decide to get a FPV drone, I can actually, you know the basics of how to practice with this right here. So DJI, if you're seeing this video, please send one out to me. It would be grateful. So anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.